Is there a
I literally just got off work. This was on my porch.
Oh my, that's my baby.
My feet hurt so bad today.
My baby, were you
It's
scared?
massaging the bottom of my feet with these little balls. It heats up, it vibrates, it blows
so
air
sorry,
into the thing, I guess, so your feet don't overheat and stuff. It compresses your feet at the top, like, it squeezes it and lets it go as the balls like rub the bottom of your feet. I'm telling you, I have never had a foot massage. And it has 3 intensities on the balls to rub the bottom of your feet. You can do it like subtle and then make it a little bit harder, and then like I have it on like the real, I guess, hard. So it's like really rubbing like up and down my feet like real, oh my god, like real hard. And I need that because my feet hurt. I stand on the concrete floor for 8 hours, and I've been doing it for 6 years. My feet hurt so bad. Like, get this product. I'm probably gonna sit here and go to sleep with my feet in here because it feels that good. It's like pressing and vibrating, and it's rubbing like bottom. Oh my god. But my feet hurt really bad. I'm telling you, you are not gonna regret getting this product. Get it. It's worth the money. Oh my gosh. It's like rubbing real hard. Get it. I'm telling you, get this product. It is so good.
I just received this, like it's been like around 5 minutes that I received it. And I'm kind of very disappointed because it is completely opposite to the description. Whatever is in the description, the specification of this machine, it's not according to that at all. All this machine do is just vibrating, very mild needling, and a little bit of the compression, but that's it. And then the needling, and then the compression, and then the heat is almost similar to none. I mean, it is not what actually I was looking for. Yeah, I'm returning it right away today because it don't worth the money. So please don't go for it. It don't worth the $60, $70, $80 at all.
This electronic foot massager is an absolute must-have. I was gifted this and I cannot now live without it. It's easy to use. You simply plug it in and you could easily share it with someone because these cloths remove to be washed. And my feet are size 6 and they fit nice and snug once the machine is on and working. And my husband's shoes are a size men's 11 and his feet also fit in here as well, and he gets the same effect and absolutely loves this. So it fits a wide range of feet and it has easy functionality. You simply press the power button, turn it on, it comes on automatically to these settings, but you can adjust them as you see fit. So you have your heat setting, vibrational setting, everything comes in low, medium, or high. You can turn off some of the settings, keep other ones on.
I bought a few things from Amazon before that I didn't need. This here is not one of them. This thing is perfect. It's massaging my feet, the balls of my feet, my ankles, the arch, everything. And it has a heater. It has different levels that you could use it on. It's just, I don't want to take my feet out of this. This is perfect. And the price was great because I found another one somewhere else that was double the price of what I paid for this here on Amazon. I would strongly suggest buying this product.
started making this funny noise. And there's no pressure.
The ruling there is you in this, is what that is. That's what the ruling is. Do we have any?
You still want him to get to step up and make a fair catch.
Sure, the operation of it.
This is great. Love this product. I recommend everybody get this foot massager. Excellent buy.
Hi. Sorry, I would have driven faster. They had quick clock, but I wasn't sure.